This riddle is presented to us in the form of an image, and we need to find the height of the table stand. It's adapted from a problem asked to elementary school students in China. The same three things are given to us in two different situations. In the first situation, the cat is on the stand and the dog is resting on the floor. The distance from the dog's back to the cat's head is 150 centimeters. In the second situation, the dog is on the stand and the cat is on the floor. And the distance from the cat's head to the dog's back is 120 centimeters. With this given information, how will you find the height of the stand? There are two ways to solve this riddle. But before we analyze this riddle, I want to give you some good news. Two lucky winners stand a chance to win giveaways from us, and there are clues in the video which will help you qualify for the giveaways. Keep watching. This riddle video and the giveaways are made possible because of Puzzle Master, which is a distributor of puzzles, brain teasers, jigsaws, and many more things which help us with analytical thinking. They have some really interesting puzzles on their website, which you can visit using the link in the description below. And hey, they ship their puzzles worldwide. So here's your first clue. You need to find the country Puzzle Master is based in. Keep watching the video to know how this clue can be used. First, let's understand a simple and logical way to solve it. As there are three things involved, we can use three variables for the heights. Let the heights of the stand, the standing cat, and the seated dog be S, C, and D respectively. Now look at the first situation, which is on the left. Using simple math, we can say that the height of the stand plus the height of the cat minus the height of the dog will be equal to 150 centimeters. Mathematically, we can write it as S plus C minus D is equal to 150. Similarly, can you write an equation for the second situation? We can say that S plus D minus C is equal to 120. Can we find S using just these two equations? Of course we can. We just have to add them. C and negative C cancel out, and D and negative D cancel out. What we have on the left-hand side is 2 times S. On the right-hand side, we have the sum of 150 and 120, which is 270. Now dividing both sides by 2 will give us the value of S as 135 centimeters. That's the height of the stand. Well done to those who got the correct answer. And now, this is your second clue. Keep watching to know how you can use the first two clues. There's also a visual way to solve the riddle. All we need to do is place one table on top of the other like this. Notice that this length is C units and this length is also C units. It means we can get these lengths down by C units. What if we move both these lengths down together by C units? This is how it will look. What does this give us now? It tells us that the sum of the heights of the tables is equal to the sum of these two lengths. So 2 times S will be equal to 270 centimeters. And that would give us the value of S as 135 centimeters. The visual way was much faster, right? Absolutely. And that brings me to the third clue, for which you need to know the date on which you're watching this video. So if the date on which you're watching this video is 9th January 2019, then your third clue will be 190109, which is the year, month, date format. So how do you use these three clues? To stand a chance to win, all you need to do is comment below in the following format. So if you think Puzzle Master is based in Japan and you're watching the video on the 9th of January in 2019 in your country, your comment should look like this. I wish you all the best. This competition will continue for 2 weeks post the launch of this video. Post the competition, you could just comment for fun. Also, we had a request for you guys. If you think this puzzle was interesting, please share this video with your friends and family. It will really help the Don't Memorize YouTube channel grow. We're really looking forward to reading your answers.